Have you ever felt overwhelmed with the amount of tasks, errands and commitments that you have to take on every day? It can be difficult to manage it all, but there are ways to make life easier. In this video, show you 12 ways you can make your life simpler and more manageable. From organizing bills to setting reminders, these small tips and tricks will help you streamline your daily activities so that you can have time for other important parts of your day. "12 hacks to make your life easier." Be prepared. Being prepared isn't just about minimizing stress or saving time. It also allows us to make life easier. When you anticipate potential conflicts and make a plan, it frees up your energy for more important things like enjoying the moment. Having things at your disposal that make tasks simpler will make life run much more smoothly. Keeping your home stocked with backup supplies, having emergency savings plans in place, and planning ahead for big projects, all of these steps cultivate preparedness and show that you are in charge. Ultimately, being prepared ensures flexibility and control, two key elements which make life more enjoyable and make our own success achievable. Simplify your finances. Simplifying your finances can make life a whole lot easier, or at least less stressful. Figuring out where your money is going and creating a budget are two ways to make sure you're making smart financial decisions. Setting limits on how much you're spending, automating as many bills as possible, and tracking your expenses can help make it easier to keep your finances in check. Staying organized throughout the month also helps make it easier to make changes when needed, ensuring you make the best choices for both your short-term and long-term financial goals. Keep things you need in plain sight. We can make our lives easier by utilizing the concept of keeping things we need in plain sight. Have you ever been running late and not been able to find your keys? That's because they're probably tucked away somewhere hidden. Instead, create a designated spot at the door where your keys always stay so that you can grab them in a jiffy when you need them. Another example is using a set of drawers for extra items that don't make it into closets or shelves. This gives you the ability to easily go through those drawers and find exactly what you're looking for right away. Basically, make sure everything has its place and make it a habit to keep things where they should be. Having an organized space means taking one less step to make your life just a bit easier each day. Use or lose the stuff. Live life a little easier by doing a closet cleanout. Get rid of things you're not using, especially if they are taking up valuable space in your home or workplace. You will have more room to make life easier, both from a storage and psychological standpoint. Donating these items is a great way to make sure they're going to be put to good use by someone else who may need them more than you do right now, or you can sell your unused stuff to make some extra money. Don't forget the less clutter around you, the lighter your energy field can become. Declutter your home and office. Decluttering your home and office is a great way to make life easier. It not only clears away the physical and mental clutter, but it also creates a sense of organization. Being organized can make tasks take less time to complete, which can give you more energy to spend on other activities during your day. Not only does decluttering make life easier, but it also boosts productivity, creativity, and overall happiness. Establish a morning routine. Establishing a morning routine can make life so much easier and remove a lot of daily stress. A good morning routine should make you feel energized and prepared for the day ahead, whether it's going to work or studying remotely. An effective morning routine will make sure your day starts off with intention and focus, freeing up your mind for other tasks throughout the day. Anything from scheduling time for physical exercise to mindful meditation can help set a positive tone and make life easier overall. For example, giving yourself 10 minutes to make breakfast will make sure you start the day fueled with healthy nutrition. As they say, eat breakfast like a queen. So take some time to nourish yourself every morning. Your body and mind will thank you. Make a list of goals and prioritize them. Setting and achieving goals can make life much easier by providing a concrete plan to work from. Planning ahead and prioritizing your goals can make a huge difference. Make sure to make realistic expectations, form good habits, set short-term goals that contribute to a long-term goal, get organized and make time for yourself. Breaking down the larger goal into smaller tasks can make things seem more achievable rather than getting overwhelmed before you even begin. Set reminders and keep track of your progress in order to stay on track. Most importantly, don't forget to make your goals fun. When tackling difficult or mundane tasks, it's all about finding creative ways to make it enjoyable. Identify the biggest cause of your stress. Identifying and addressing the biggest cause of stress in your life is one of the best things you can do to make life easier. It may be related to finances, family relationships, work or school commitments, or something else entirely. Once you focus on this single source of stress and make plans to address it, you'll find that several other areas in your life also benefit. Taking time to reflect on what's causing anxiety and making changes to make it more manageable will make a huge difference when it comes to day-to-day living. Set aside some time each week specifically dedicated to these topics to make sure they stay high on your priority list and make sure that everything runs smoothly. Stop putting things off. Stop putting things off. Make simple changes that make day-to-day activities less of a strain. When you make the effort to stay on top of your tasks before they even become tasks, you will save yourself time, energy, and stress. Reorganize your workflow, make flexible plans, set healthy boundaries, create reminders, take regular breaks. All of these strategies make room for more time and mental space. Invest in your own well-being by committing more time and effort into improving yourself and paying attention to what matters most. Be intentional with your time. Time management is one of the most important skills you can have in life. By being intentional with your time and managing it effectively, you make life easier for yourself. You reduce stress, save precious hours in the day, and make sure that you're using your time wisely. It's a win-win situation. Set aside specific times of the day to complete certain activities and make sure that you plan ahead to make sure nothing falls through the cracks. Having detailed lists also helps ensure that everything gets done in order and on time. Making this small effort can greatly improve your life. You'll thank yourself later. Learn to say no. It can be hard to say no, but learning to make this a part of your vocabulary is essential if you want to make life easier. Saying no properly and in the right situation will prevent taking on more than you can handle, or agreeing to things that don't make sense for your time and schedule. In addition, saying no puts into practice boundaries for yourself and those around you, helps prioritize tasks and goals, boosts self-confidence as you become more aware of what is important to you, and make it easier to make decisions quickly. Being able to make confident, no statements can make situations better. Practice taking care of yourself. Taking care of yourself should always be a top priority. Taking time for self-care can make life easier. It's an investment that pays off. Regular sleep, exercise, nutrition, and social connection are all key ingredients for a healthy lifestyle. Practice setting aside an hour each day to do something that makes you happy or refuels you, whether it be reading a book, taking a leisurely walk, or committing to relaxation time. Everyone is different. Make sure you're listening to your own body and giving yourself the right tools to make life simple and enjoyable. If you find yourself struggling to keep up with your daily tasks, bills, and appointments, don't worry, you're not alone. Luckily, there are some easy ways to make your life simpler and more manageable so that you can focus on the things that matter most to you. We hope that our 12 tips have helped you understand how to streamline your day-to-day activities. If you're looking for additional support, be sure to download our daily planning worksheet to keep your life organized, and stay tuned for more videos to make your life easier.